What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to go over how I connected my phone to my 1973 Volkswagen Beetle's sound system via Bluetooth using a $12 device and a $10 adapter. Here we go. So the first thing I did was I installed this cigarette lighter addition into the car. Now, this comes with two USB plugs for phone chargers, and it also comes with the cigarette lighter adapter. Now this, I believe, cost $12 on Amazon. It was on sale. It has a switch so you can turn it on, off, and when you turn it on, it also has a board that tells you the battery voltage, which is super, super handy since these Volkswagens did not come with one. It has two bolts, one on this side, one on that side, that shoot through, up through wherever you want to put it. And I drilled mine right here, which is right under the dash. You can see it right here. And I installed it. I've had zero issues so far, and it's been in here for just about a year. Now that we're outside of the car, I'm going to open up the front trunk, front deck lid, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I installed it. So right here, you can see this two screws, 1, 2, that went up through the metal. This is exactly where that adapter went into the car. Now, this adapter was super easy to wire in. It's just a hot and a ground. It has an inline fuse that comes with it right here, which is super, super handy. So I grounded it right here. I shaved off the paint right down to steel, and then I ran it right down to here, as you can see. Now, I had a rubber grommet laying around, so I pushed it through, and then as you can see under there, and then I pushed both wires through. And then I wired this hot lead off of, I believe I have accessory lights. I have accessory lights going up top, as you can see those two right there. Those blazer lights. And I simply tapped off of that, put in another inline fuse just to be extra safe, and I wired it to that adapter. Now we're back in the car. There's the adapter on the bottom side, and this adapter, like I said, was about $12 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below if I can find it. As far as hooking up Bluetooth to this vehicle, I got myself one of these adapters. I've seen these online before. I've never tried one before, so I figured it was on sale for $10 on Amazon. I figured I'd give it a try, and honestly, I've had zero complaints. This thing is excellent. Opening up our package right here, we see that it comes with an instruction manual and the adapter itself. Now, this adapter is super, super easy to use. And what I love about it is it has not one, but two different phone chargers that you can plug into. If your phone doesn't have Bluetooth, you could still plug it in right here, and it recognizes the device and it'll let you play music via your charging cable. All you have to do to get this working is to plug it in here, just like so. Make sure it's facing the right way, like that. And that's honestly it. So once you have it plugged in and your car is on, you'll be able to connect it once it gets power. So I'm gonna start the Beetle real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. So as you could probably hear, the Beetle is now running, meaning that I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna turn on my cigarette lighter power. So this also reads battery voltage. I'm not sure how accurate it is. I go by this one more because when I checked the battery with a multimeter, this one was closer to that one. I never checked this one with a multimeter to see what it is. So right here, you'll see that it says 88.7. That means I'm going to jump up here and tune my radio to roughly 88.7, which is somewhere around here. Now, as soon as you do that and connect your phone down here, you'll be able to play whatever music you would want. whether it's via a cable like this one, a charging cable that plugs into the bottom of your phone, or via Bluetooth. The great thing about this adapter right here is if your car radio doesn't tune down to the frequency that it comes with, you could change the frequency. If you go into the manual, the book right here, it tells you how to do that. I'm pretty sure you just hold the right volume button down a little bit and it'll let you change the frequency. I think mine originally started at 86 point something, and this doesn't go down to that, this radio. So I tuned it up to 88.7 and it works great. Another feature on this adapter right here is that you can make phone calls through it. You could ask your phone, whether it be Siri or whether it's Google, you could ask it to make a phone call and it'll go through your car. This has a built-in microphone that's actually not as terrible as you would think for $10. And it picks up pretty well, even though it's tucked out of the way like this. It still picks up what I'm saying. And then all the audio will go through your speaker. And another thing that's awesome about this is that for any 12-volt car, so basically every car after the 60s, it works on it. So if you want Bluetooth on a early 2000s vehicle, a classic vehicle, or a new vehicle potentially that doesn't have Bluetooth already from factory, this is the cheapest way that you could add Bluetooth to any vehicle. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what I should do next time for next week's video, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And until next time, I'll see you guys.